When you come to Gaswerks Garage, you're not just buying a car. You're buying a piece of Porsche history. My name is Gaspare Fasulo, and we're at Gaswerks Garage in Paramus, New Jersey. What I really enjoy doing is working on air-cooled cars. That's my passion. I was trained on air-cooled cars, so I really know them well, and that's what I enjoy doing. We bring cars back to life. We have a car that's been doormat for 30, 40 years, and we get so excited about seeing those projects. We know we have the ability to bring it back and be on the road for another 20, 30 years. I can never do this by myself. I have a great team. Guys who work with me share the same passion for the mark, and that's what makes us so successful.
My name is Fred Helder, and I'm a technician in the shop here. I enjoy building motors and tearing them down and machine work and everything that's put into them, but pretty well-rounded. I could work on anything, actually.
My name is Matthew Provenzano, and I mainly restore parts. A lot of nuts, bolts, washers, anything that could be restored to save and keep original versus getting new parts. I'm really proud of this gold 914-6 that's over here. Everything on that car basically passed through my hands before it got onto the car, and it went to Amelia Island and took first place for my first build.
One of my first big Porsche builds. The color, the way it looks, the engine, twin plug, pretty much everything about the car. The seats, the leather interior, aluminum panels on the floor. Everything's perfect when it leaves here.